Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I thought I was done with this stuff, but I'm not. I came up with something else to do with our old friend, well, not so old, the pumpkin spice flavor cup noodles variety. It occurred to me Thanksgiving is coming. What is a staple of Thanksgiving? Pumpkin pie. I have a pie crust. So when I was working on review 4001, I had the thought, hey, what's good cold? Pumpkin pie. Is it good hot? No. So I cooked one of these things and then threw it in the fridge and put it on the door. In the morning it was quite good, but the bottom of it, because of gravity and how noodles work and suck up moisture, had almost become solid. Will that work to make a pie? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these, grind it up, and then cook it in the microwave as per package instructions. I'm going to fill a pie crust with that stuff. Instant noodles that have been ground up and made into pie. Alright, so we have a thick, boiling hot substance here. Oh, look at that. There's our pie. I guess I should put it in the fridge for I don't know how long. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a long time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the pumpkin spice cup noodles pie. Let's give it a try. It's cold. Ooh, it's very dense. Look at that. A little bit of whipped cream. Cheers. Usually pumpkin pie is more like mushy. This isn't very mushy. This is more solid. It tastes like pumpkin pie. It has a butteriness to it. It's got loads of pumpkin spice. It works with the whipped cream. The crust helps a great deal with it. I don't know if you served this at Thanksgiving. Maybe if you didn't tell anybody, it was like, this is the first time I've ever made a pie. So I could, you know, maybe serve it and go like, you know, this is the first time I've ever made a pie. Be kind. Please be kind. It's not bad. It is not bad. Yeah, I'm kind of taken aback by how well this works. I've never made a pie before. If somebody brought me this and they were like, would you like a slice of pumpkin pie? I'd be like, that's some really dense pumpkin pie. It would not occur to me that it was made out of instant noodles. Nah, not at all. I'm serious. Yeah, this is good. It's basically a very dense pumpkin pie filling, but there is no pumpkin in here. I think there might be a little bit of pumpkin powder. Very minimal amount. This is mostly wheat flour. Well, there you go. I'm amazed. I am freaking amazed. It worked. 100% cup noodles pumpkin spice pie. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.